Hi there, welcome back. I'm just enjoying the latest of my creations, another Class 03 in Engage, and just something so magical about these little tiny models. I thought I'd do a little bit of a video overview of them, see if I can share some of that excitement with you all. The regulars might be surprised we're here talking about the Class 03 and not my other favourite model, the Class 08 in Engage, which you can see plenty of examples on both the blog and on previous videos, but in recent times it's really the smallest of the shunters in the Graham Farish range that has captured a lot of my imagination, and I've been able to pour myself into this small collection here. And each of these has been worked over in some form or another. Even the Kerno Model Railway Shop limited edition example has had a cut down roof, so I've reduced the height of the roof by about, well, just under 1 millimetre, just by sanding in this case, and then touching in. That's the original paint finish, and it's lightly weathered, and it reminds me of my train spotting book from 1990. It's the first colour picture inside of that, and why not? What better excuse is there really other than nostalgia? This pair of cut down examples here are non-air braked, based on, I think they were both from the British Industrial Sand version by Graham Farish. I've obviously repainted, detailed and whatnot, but I've actually lowered the cabs, so these are Buryport and Gwendreath examples, so I've had to do some quite extensive surgery to recreate the cabs in Engage, and so they run as a pair, and they're going to be destined for my future coal mining layout. The green example was inspired by some videos of the prototype at Boston Docks, and seeing it run around, scurrying around between the docks and the interchange sidings. A really lovely video, period video. And since then I've been building some of the steel wagons also shown. It really did make that much of an impression. And actually in the cab of this one, I don't know if you can quite see in there, that's a mini me. So I'm actually at the controls of this example. And most recently I found myself wanting to do some work on a model that was not quite as involved as some of the other work projects I have, and so this is just a very simple repaint of the Network Southeast example again, representing the prototype as it was in 1983. So a very faded BR blue, so you'll note it's a lot lighter than the pair at the back there, and heavily weathered. Just so much character in these little machines. You can just imagine them almost running around your model railway. In fact, they often do. They often find themselves stretching their legs on Paxton Road, and I find actually just running the brush with a bit of my favourite Humboldt 33 and 98 mix, into those panel lines, and the worst day just melts away in those moments of calm that follow through just sort of mindful craft, and it's no more than that really, and I suppose that's probably part of what lives in the finish of these little models as well. So yeah, the collection numbers 5, but each very individual, and I've had more than this, and some have been sold on, so some live in other parts of the world now, and it's nice to think of those hopefully being enjoyed just as I enjoy these. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed sharing these delightful little creations with you, and until next time, I'll see you all again soon.